What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to factory reset any Android phone. So let's get right into it. Head over to your settings option and then scroll down until you see General Management. Head over there and scroll down and you will find an option of reset. If you can't find the General Management option or the reset option, you can just head over to the search icon and then search for reset and click on it, and there you will find the reset. And then head over to the reset option and scroll down, and there you will find the factory data reset in the bottom of the reset option. There, if you just reset your phone to its factory default settings, this will erase all data including files and downloaded apps. So make sure you have backed things up. And yeah, this is how you can just go to your phone's factory reset and everything. As I don't want to do my factory reset right now, I'm just not clicking on it. You just need to click on it and follow the next procedure. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.